Can't get any nearer the swamp than this. Some idiot's built a wall in the way. Hello.
Hello.
Well, this conversation's off to a flying start.
Would you like to hear a joke?
I don't know. Is it any good?
That's why I'm telling it to you. I'm working on some new ones because my old ones weren't funny.
Okay, fire away.
Right. What do you call a man with a seagull on his head?
Cliff?
You know it.
That one's about as old as they come.
Okay, I've got another one. What do you call a man with a shovel on his head?
I don't know. What do you call a man with a shovel on his head?
Doug.
Doug?
Yeah, because he's got a shovel on his head. Shovel. Doug. Doug. See?
I think I may have spotted the problem with your jokes.
Hang on, I know this great story about butter.
Sounds more interesting. Go on.
I can't. You might spread it around.
I can't believe I walked into that one.
So, what do you think?
You've got big problems, mate. These jokes wouldn't amuse a little and large audience.
Oh, looks like I'm finished then.
That's life, I'm afraid. You win some and you lose some. Why don't you have a look through this?